Hello friends! In this video I will tell you some features of 3-in-1 Flux Core welding machine. The 3-in-1 Flux Core welding machine stands out as a notable advancement in welding technology, combining versatility, efficiency, and ease of use into a compact design. This machine is particularly appealing for both seasoned professionals and hobbyists alike, addressing a wide range of welding needs with its multi-purpose capabilities. Among its impressive features, the 140A MIG welder supports 3 distinct welding modes: gasless flux core MIG, lift TIG, and stick welding, making it highly adaptable for various materials and project requirements. One of the hallmark advantages of the 140A MIG welder is its gasless flux core MIG capability, which allows users to perform welding tasks without the need for shielding gas. This feature not only reduces operational costs but also simplifies the entire welding process, especially for outdoor applications where wind may be a factor. Additionally, the machine's lift TIG function provides a smooth and efficient means of achieving high-quality welds on thin materials, making it ideal for intricate work. The inclusion of stick welding as a third option caters to those who require a robust solution for heavy-duty tasks, enhancing the machine's versatility even further. As welding continues to evolve, the importance of having a multifunctional and user-friendly machine cannot be overstated. The MIG 140A welder serves as a prime example of how modern welding equipment can accommodate diverse applications while ensuring effective performance. By integrating multiple welding methods into a single unit, this machine not only streamlines workflow but also maximizes productivity. Therefore, for anyone looking to invest in an efficient and adaptable welding solution, the 140A MIG welder presents an outstanding option worth considering. The 140A MIG welder is a multifunctional welding machine designed to cater to a range of applications, making it an invaluable tool for professionals and hobbyists alike. One of the standout features of this welder is its maximum output current of 140 amperes. This considerable power enables users to weld materials with varying thicknesses, ensuring robust and durable welds. With the capability to adjust the output, users can achieve optimal results for different welding tasks, enhancing both efficiency and quality. Another significant aspect of the 140A MIG welder is its compatibility with various wire sizes. It supports both solid and flux core wire sizes ranging from 0.030 inches to 0.035 inches, providing flexibility depending on the specifics of the project. This versatility is instrumental for users undertaking diverse welding operations, whether it be for intricate metal work or more substantial fabrication tasks. The user-friendly design facilitates smooth wire feeding, reducing the risk of common welding issues such as wire jams or inconsistent feed rates. When it comes to materials, the 140A MIG welder excels in joining various metals, including mild steel, stainless steel, and aluminum. This broad capability makes it particularly suitable for different applications, ranging from machinery repair to home improvement projects and DIY endeavors. The machine's adaptability to different materials allows users to tackle a host of welding challenges efficiently. Whether one is looking to repair a fence, fabricate a metal frame, or create art, the 140A MIG welder proves to be a versatile solution that meets diverse requirements. If you want to buy this product, click on the link given in the video description. Visit our website for more information on this product. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share our channel to get notification of new videos.